back, guys. We are on the road again, and this time we are traveling to Ticino. Ticino is located south of Switzerland and it borders Italy.
So we're going to be going to the Gotthard Tunnel, which is the longest tunnel going through the Alps here in Switzerland. It connects the northern part to the southern part of Switzerland. So Switzerland itself is divided up into 4 regions. So you've got the German-speaking part, which is the north. The southern, southeastern part is Italian. The western part is French. And then you have some select mountain regions. They speak their own kind of language. So yeah, but our journey today is going to take us through the Gotthard Tunnel. You can either go through the tunnel or over the Gotthard Alpine Pass. Our GPS has decided today is a good day for the tunnel. And that's what we're going to do.
Light just turned green, so I guess we are finally gonna enter the Gotthard Tunnel. Yoo-hoo! Made it! From now on, it's almost 17 kilometers tunnel. See you on the other side. So, welcome to Ticino. This is the other side. Now off to Locarno. Finally made it to Locarno. We are in the northern part of Locarno, and we booked a bed and breakfast this time that popped up on booking.com. We were looking for a unique place. We didn't want to stay in a hotel. We've been in so many hotels in the past years that we are just trying to find some unique gems, and I guess we found one. Let me show you the room. Follow me to our living room and kitchen. We have a dining table, a sofa, a fireplace, and then most importantly, our own coffee machine. We got a gift from our host. I don't know. We'll try this later. Looks good. Looks homemade. And then we got a big bottle of Prosecco. So, where's our bed, you might ask? Follow me up the stairs. Look how cute this is. I like this a lot. Look at this awesome wooden door. Everything looks fresh and clean and rustic and modern in the same way. I'm loving this style, it's so pretty. We got the old staff house, or as they call it here, the garçonnière. So we've come to the Grotto Ticinese, which is a 10-minute drive from our bed and breakfast, and they're famous for their hearty Ticino cuisine, and they're specialized in polenta. So we're really looking forward to our first Ticino meal today.
Well, our starters have arrived. We decided to start the whole dinner off with a couple of local mixed platters. So we have the local Ticino meat platter, which is mortadella, and you got the coppa ham here, some lasdo, bacon, some salami, and some more dried ham. Here we have a variation of 4 different kinds of local cheeses. This one's medium aged and this one's aged, I believe. I'm not sure which one's which.
Yeah, she explained it in Italian and we were just nodding, pretending that we would understand her.
Nevertheless, they're gonna be good.
Yeah, we got some of the information. Well, let's dig in. Look at this tiny red wine glass. We're drinking Merlot from the region here. Ticino Merlot. Cheers. Has a cherry flavor.
My main course has arrived. Today I'm going for a some braised beef with some really nice beef sauce. I don't know what it is, and some really amazing looking polenta. So I'm gonna stop talking and start eating. It's nice and tender. Polenta is nice and compact, but still got the right fluffiness to it. Really nice.
So my dish is the polenta with zucchini and fresh mushrooms, and it's very nicely seasoned. You don't have to add salt or pepper. It's just perfect, and it's very hearty, just what I expected, and very filling at the same time. It's very good, just what I expected it to be.